The organization administrator is the super user and the only administrator role that can create other admin users in the admin portal for their organization. To add an administrator user, expand the administration menu in the left navigation. Select Administrators. Click Add Administrators. Choose the type of administrator from the Role drop-down menu. An E911 administrator has permissions to manage locations, network discovery elements, users, devices, alert templates and subscriptions, and email templates for the organization. An E911 observer is a view-only administrator who can view locations, network discovery elements, users, devices, alert templates and subscriptions, and email templates for the organization. An E911 security administrator has permission to view call history and listen to call recordings. An E911 user administrator has permissions to manage users, devices, and email templates for the organization. You can toggle on the EON user option for E911 administrator and E911 security roles. When this option is selected, the administrator can install and manage the EON client as well as receive EON alerts. Please note, an EON user can only be added if your enterprise has purchased an enhanced notification license. Enter the administrator's email, first name, and last name, and click Save. If your organization has welcome emails enabled, the administrator will receive an email with instructions on how to set their password.